So it's like 3 a.m., but I'm a night person. So here you go, man. Softopper. How is that happening? So, go ahead. I already started undoing some of this. So, just pretty much stick these little strip magnets. I'll link them in there. That's how big they are. I wouldn't do the 100-pound ones or anything stronger. You know, it might end up messing this up. And to be fair, you know, I think this is maybe leaving like small scratches, but literally minuscule. I don't have any wind, like flapping, anything like that. If that's, you know, your reasoning for getting rid of it, or pardon me, for doing that. So yeah, that's a easy little fix. Works good.